You have a fitting man like me, just for me, but that isn't mine. It was meant to be, and I'm Jordan up and down, what the freckles on your cheeks ended up all makes sense to me. I know you know love, the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You know love, it's someone other eyes. The dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine, but I love them endlessly. And I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you, oh you, they are up to you. I'm in love with you. And those little things, you can go to bed without a cup of tea. And maybe that's the reason that you talk in your sleep. And all those conversations are the secrets that I keep, though it makes no sense to me. I know you know all the song, but you go so take you never want to know how much you ache. You still love to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me. Yeah. I won't let these little things slip out of my mind. We run through it too. I'll eat you, they hand up to you, and I'm in love with you. In those little things, you never love yourself as much as I love you. You never treat yourself wrong, but I want to do. If I let you know that I'm here for you, and maybe allow yourself like I love you. Oh, I'll just let these little things slip out of my mind, because it's you, it's you. It's you, and they are up to you, and I'm in love with you. In all these little things, I won't let these little things slip out of my mind. But if it's true, it's you, it's you. They are up to you, I'm in love with you. And those little things, and no.